Divided, we all plummet. When problems arise together, we'll overcome it. Understand that it's easier to rise above whatever when the support is there for you. And yo, we here for you. Hope for the best, but for the worst, prepare for it. Use the thing inside your head and keep it clear for it. It's necessary to in this day and age. If you wanna shine tomorrow, gotta put in work today. Let's go.